Welcome back. In this lecture we will be covering Bootstrap and its grid system.
Before starting coding, I will tell you what is Bootstrap. So go to Google and type Bootstrap. So basically Bootstrap is one of the famous framework of web design. So basically Bootstrap is one of the famous framework of CSS which is used for styling purpose. It is used for building your website quick, responsive websites. Responsive website means it doesn't depend upon your screen size. Means if you are opening your website in smaller screen, it may not changes its layout. It must be responsive and it must be like going through all screen sizes. It must not be filtering here and there. So we will be using Bootstrap. First of all, I will be clicking on this Bootstrap main website and then clicking on this get started. Now first of all I have to copy this CSS file link here and paste it in my this index.html. So I'm pasting it here inside this head section. Control V. There isn't any need of like adding this. I'm saving it. So now you can use your Bootstrap classes here inside this body because you have this reference link here.
So we have done this like this styling in the previous lecture. Now we will be adding some Bootstrap properties here. So for adding Bootstrap property, go to your index.html file. I am adding comment here for better understanding. This is called theme section. So now first of all I will be adding a div here and I will be giving this div class as fluid container. Basically this is the Bootstrap class we are giving. So we have given the link here of the Bootstrap file. Now we will be using Bootstrap classes here. This is the fluid container class which is used for containing the element in a particular fixed size. And another thing I will be using here, I am giving the custom class we have created in this, like in this style.css, which is center. This center class will align your text center. So I'm giving here center. I am adding styles here like padding 100 pixels from each side. Now I'm adding ID here, giving this ID as team. We will be using this ID in the upcoming lectures. So now this is the basic div in which all elements will be added. Now for adding the title of this section I will be using header 2. In this header 2 I will be writing our team. I want to make this our team to be look like bold, so I will be adding style here. Style name is font weight and it will be bold. Now I'm adding heading 4 here, key features of our team. I'm saving this and refreshing this page. So you see here, this is our team section and key features of our team with 100 pixel padding from all these 4 sides. Now I will be adding BR tag here, another BR tag for spacing, and now I will be using div here I'm giving this class as call sm4. Basically, this is the bootstrap class call sm4. Call is stand for column, sm is for small, and 4 is for its size. So I have an image which will describe the concept of columns in bootstrap. So this whole is a row. This whole is a class row. A row is consisting of 12 columns. Okay, so it's up to you how you divide your row into columns. You can divide into 3 columns, or you can divide into like this 2 columns of 6 6, or only a single column of 12 width. So it's up to you. Basically, a whole row is consisting of 12 columns. So this whole div will contain 4 upon 12 part of 12 columns. Before adding this, I will be adding here div class row. This row class is also a bootstrap class which will convert your whole div into a particular row. I will be like cutting this from here and adding here, so that all the columns we are adding here must be inside this row. So it's necessary to add a row div class row first and then the div class columns. So I have an image which will describe the concept of columns in Bootstrap. Now I'm adding heading 2 here for the name of the team member. So my name is Harshiraman, and then I will be adding paragraph tag here. In this paragraph we have to tell the title of the team member, like I'm the CEO and founder. Adding another paragraph tag here. Inside this I will be telling my qualifications like masters in software, and in the last paragraph tag I will be adding email here. My email is hashirosam765@gmail.com. I want to see this paragraph tag, this designation, to be like in a gray color, so I will be adding a style here. Dot title, color means text color, in a gray. I am saving it, and I will be adding class here which we have created there as title. I'm saving it and let's refresh. So you see here we have added text align center, so they all are in center, and then I have added gray color to this title or the designation. So I will be copying this whole div, no need to write again and again. I'm pasting it twice here. I will be changing some text here, like I will be changing this name. This is Mike Rose, and this title is art director. So its qualification is PhD in art and design, and its email is like we are giving Mike123. It's a rough email, so I'm saving it. John, and its title is so designer, like I'm giving 13 plus years of experience, and I'm giving this email here, john at gmail.com. I'm saving it, and let's see the changes here. So you see it's looking better now. So this is the Bootstrap grid system and its beauty. So we have covered Bootstrap and its grid system. In the upcoming lecture we will be covering list and its type, and how to convert a list into a navigation bar.